Let's start with an overview on storage. So hard drives, as I said, represent a secondary permanent storage available in the computer system. It's sort of a pet peeve when people say they don't have enough memory to download something. That may be how we think. That's not actually how it is. Memory is the primary storage. In order to be able to utilize something, it has to be in memory. However, if I power down the system and reboot, then all the stuff that's in memory is gone. So everything has to be saved to the hard drive in order to be retained during a power outage or power reset. There's a lot of different types of storage devices that are available. They have varying characteristics, just like the other hardware components we've talked about. Access time is a big thing on hard drives. You want a low access time. That's the amount of time it takes from for the controller to get data off of the physical drive. Storage capacity, how much space, right? It used to be we dealt in megabytes 25 years ago in terms of storage space, really. And then it has greatly increased now to we have 2 and 4 terabyte drives in machines. 1 terabyte drives are very common in kind of middle tier to higher end laptops and whatnot. So the storage capacity, how much data do you need to store? And the physical type of media being used, whether it's optically written to, it's magnetically written to, or it's written to like flash memory, and the latter of which is an SSD. Okay, so it's magnetic. Those are hard drives. They have movable platters and mechanical parts, so they can sometimes be called a mechanical drive as well. We have optical drives, which are CDs, DVD, Blu-rays, and then you have solid state and flash drives.